Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What you're about to see is based on my personal experience using this platform. Today, we're taking a look at Uphold, found at uphold.com. This platform offers a variety of financial services, allowing users to buy, sell, and hold different assets, all within a single, convenient interface. Whether you're interested in traditional currencies like the US dollar or the euro, or you're looking to delve into the world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Uphold provides a streamlined experience. They aim to simplify the process of managing your finances, making it accessible to both seasoned investors and those just starting their financial journey. Navigating the complexities of different asset classes can be daunting, but Uphold strives to create a user-friendly environment. Their platform is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to easily monitor your portfolio, execute trades, and track your financial performance. One of the key features that sets Uphold apart is its commitment to transparency. They provide clear information about fees and charges, ensuring that you understand the costs associated with using their services. This transparency helps build trust and allows users to make informed decisions about their investments. With its broad range of supported assets and its focus on simplifying financial management, Uphold presents an intriguing option for those looking to explore various investment opportunities. The platform continually evolves, adapting to the changing financial landscape and integrating new features to enhance the user experience. They're constantly working to provide a more comprehensive and seamless financial management solution for their users, striving to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of finance. So, if you're looking for a platform that simplifies buying, selling, and holding various assets, be sure to check out Uphold at uphold.com. Remember, all the links are in the description.